Bang, bang,
Easy.
In today's YouTube video, we will be doing the bloop.
Yo.
And we already have a skin over there because he decided to start with whenever I told him not to. So oh yeah, guys, I need y'all to make this video to actually become viral, so I can actually get more views. And nerd. Anyways, so yeah, so we can go ahead and do this so that way I can become a content creator level 1. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. Make my smoothness all the way up. Okay, let's go do this.
Let's go.
I did it! Look at this. We already have that skin. Hey, shark
This
skin.
is a skin is a skin.
Yeah, I already have that skin.
Oh well.
Honestly, I'm just doing this so that way I can go ahead and max out all my shells, and because I'm trying to save up a lot so I can get either the King of Shark, the blue King of Sharks, or the Sharkzilla, because I did miss the last bundle, sadly.
Oh.
I need the sauce.
Hey!
Although I have that skin, but yeah.
A new player would love these.
And you know, if you guys could get me up to like 10,000 views this month, that'd be greatly appreciated on all my Shark Go videos, because then I'll have my own fan code and you could end up getting these skins right here that we already have that you can also get too. The thing is, we'll already have all of our shells, because we want to already have our shells already done. Okay, I think I'm gonna die. Okay. I need to eat apples and bananas.
I ate all of it. You ate all of it.
Okay.
Bro, you fat ass.
Shut up. So yeah, because I'm trying to save up for either the Sharkzilla or the King of Sharks. I'm not about to waste my money out on that just for you guys. I mean, here soon I might. Still. You know what? Alright, guys, if you like and subscribe right now, whatever this thing is, we would get the. What was I saying? I don't know. Once we hit level 20, whatever boss it is, if y'all like and subscribe, as soon as we reach level 20, then we'll get that skin. Or if you subscribe ahead of time, we'll definitely get 2 skins before we hit level 20. So y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe so we can get it. I need that sushimi. Okay, so if that means if y'all liked and subscribed, we will get a seal. If y'all liked and subscribed. You see, y'all didn't. None of y'all liked and subscribed. So I need y'all to start liking and subscribing, man. Okay. Now, if you like and subscribe right now, that means that we're definitely gonna get the skin that will be here. we'll get an axolotl skin if y'all liked and subscribed. We're about to see. Y'all did. Boom! Hey. Yo! Okay, well now I know that y'all.
That's insane luck.
Now I know that y'all definitely just liked and subscribed. Now, if y'all didn't, then y'all definitely got to. But that means I can get the mini guns. That's bad.
Wait, which one do you want? The nightmare or the regular?
I want to try and get the nightmare, so let's get in. Get it. Mission impossible, man. Mission impossible. Down, 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 down.
Wait, I can kill it, James. I can kill it.
Down, down. Okay. Now, if y'all.
Oh, that one's almost dead.
Now, if y'all didn't, then that means that. Okay.
I need food.
Go get it. Go get it. I need to get me a piece of sushi.
It's alright. They shoot us from afar.
Boom, ba-boom, 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 boom. Okay,
Let's
come on,
go.
guys.
No.
I didn't like and subscribe, man.
It was a worth a try.
Desire, you may take what meaningless winnings you earn. Unless you wish to swim with bigger people. Decide at center stage whether you shall return to the shallows or
Well,
plunge deeper into
that means at least 2 or 3 people don't like and subscribed because we got a skin and the nightmare modes. That means somebody definitely liked and subscribed.
Oh crap.
You can't leave me hanging, man. I'm on 6,000. You know what, guys? If we can get at least one of the nightmare weapons, or if we, you know what, the top comment in the, yeah, you know what, y'all just typing down in the comments below if y'all want to join me in a private code with me and my friend to get some skins and shells. Just leave a comment on the video and I'll select 2 lucky people to come and join me, or 3, but you gotta say that I'm subscribed, and I'll have to go check and see if you are subscribed. So I'll pick a few random subscribers or people that have commented in the video. Practically 2 lucky people will be able to, that I select from the comments, will be able to be in the next video I make. I'll select 2 random people if y'all comment in the video.
Let's go.
You know what? If Nightmare gets here by level 25, then I'll pick 4 lucky people to be in my video. 4 or 3, but I'll pick 2 random people that are in the 1 or 2 people that are in the comments that is subscribed. So yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Because I sort of do need it. Well, I mean, not the comments, but I mean, I need the subscribers. I become well known on YouTube. Ooh, that's not good, sonny boy. Ooh, he better get back here. Murele. Hee-hoo. Now I do 1,000 per shot. I need to take a shot. Oh, never mind. I don't have that Mance Ray skin. I thought that was the boss skin. That's like it's like the Flash skin. Ooh, that's not good. Ah.
But don't worry.
We just lost all of their stuff. For darn. That
No.
sucks. So bad. Like I said, I'll pick few lucky subscribers to, I mean not subscribers, because for some reason it won't let me see my subscribers, so I'll just pick some random people in the comments to come and join me in a private code, and I'll either help y'all get some more skins or we can do the bloop, and that's practically about it. Sadly, I'm not that rich. I can't just give y'all bundles, so I can't just do that. So yeah. They really need to make a better limit. They need to make it 500 per week. Ooh. Yeah, we've only hit 12 minutes. So I said we can go for a bit longer. Just give me a second. Hold on. Gotta figure out where my buddy is. 1 second, guys. Okay, well, my friend isn't getting here, so I guess I'll go ahead and start it. That should let him know to get here. That should let him know to get down here. Probably won't be able to do much more without him. Let's see. Come on, please be another shark. I need it to be another shark. Let's go. You know what? If it's another shark after this, that means that he ain't getting down here. But if it's something else, that means he's on his way. Okay, let's see. If it's another shark, then he ain't getting down here. If it's something else, then that means he's getting down here. He's about to be down here. Oh, but I guess that means that he ain't getting down here. Okay. If it's another shark, then I don't know what to say, man. I just got no clue what to say then. Back to back! Business. Sushimi, give me the sushimi. Delicious sushimi. Yo, I'm the gingerbread man. You'll never catch me if you can. Okay, I might have to end the video a little short. I was thinking that it might have been probably was going to be a like an hour. I mean, not an hour, but at least 30 minutes long. I at least want to see what this is. But if it's another great white shark, I'm going to crash out again. Okay, it's Pixel Axolotl. I mean, not Pixel, it's a normal Axolotl. That's right, it's level 15, every 5 levels. It's a... Okay, I need sushimi. There isn't a sushimi. Where's the sushimi? One more shot of my mouth. He better get his tail down here. Oh! That's not good. Okay, it's almost dead. Wow, a super chat.
Congratulations, a little win here. Don't worry.
Okay, hold on.
Well, what are you waiting for? Go.
I might have to go do something. I don't know.
Good luck.
Hold on, while I go ahead and cash out real fast, let me do something real fast. So give me a second, guys. Up, heat on left. Well, I guess that's it for this video, I guess. I mean, I just killed like 4 sharks in a row and a Pixel Axolotl. I didn't get nothing. Just coins, so yeah. So yeah. Well, make sure y'all get this video pretty like good because I am about to get a content creator badge level 1. So I need y'all to make sure y'all like and subscribe. Like I said, top comment, or I'll just pick either top comment or whatever comment I decide whichever comment, I'll pick 2 comments that I'll just randomly select out of all the comments, and you guys will be able to join the code with me. So yeah, and before anybody else joins, I'll make sure y'all like the video because I will. Yeah. So just make sure y'all mark y'all's calendars because on Tuesday, from 2 days from now, 3 days from now, on Wednesday, make sure y'all mark y'all's calendar to go check in the comments. I'll comment underneath y'all's comment, and I will tell you guys the code to join, and then I will tell y'all to join an extra code just in case if anybody sees that in the comments. So yeah, so that way nobody joins us. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for the video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.